choose a login email Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix if Telegram says choose a login email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix if Telegram says choose a login email, all you have to do is open the Telegram application here. Now the first thing you have to understand is that Telegram does not generally require you to enter the email address to login, which means during the login process Telegram will not ask you for your email, but instead they are going to ask you to simply enter your phone number. So if you have a phone number, just make sure to go ahead and then enter those phone number, and then you can just tap on this arrow icon here in order to try to log into your account. It's going to send a verification code to your phone number, so you want to make sure you have access to your phone number as well. Now, hope this video helped you understand the question. Bottom line is it will never ask you to log into email if you've been wondering that. So even if you do have the email and you have set it up without the account, you will not be able to go ahead and then log in using the email. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.